Okay, welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Mytv Africa free-to-air channels and Multitv on one satellite dish. Okay, so Mytv Africa and Multitv are actually on the same lane. They are all on the northeast. Mytv Africa is on the northeast 16 degrees and Multitv is on the northeast 20 degrees. So you can get both Mytv and Multitv on one satellite dish. Okay, but to do so you first need to know where you need to turn your satellite dish to get the signal. Okay, so to start, if you don't have any analog compass, you can download any mobile app, any compass mobile app, and then you start using it, because using a compass will help you to indicate where exactly you need to turn your satellite dish, so that you won't be delaying time panning the dish around. So you get to know where exactly you need to turn your satellite dish. Alright, so here, for you to get both signal, both Multitv and Mytv on one satellite dish, Multitv is actually below on a satellite dish. Multitv is below Mytv Africa, but for you to get both signal on one satellite dish, you need to first get Mytv African satellite signal, and then you add another LMB on top of it for you to get the Multitv. Okay, so you first need to track for Mytv African satellite signal before you add another LMB on top of it for you to get the Multitv. Okay, so here you turn your satellite dish to face northeast of your focal point. Wherever you are standing, you need to know your northeast. Okay, so on my compass here, on this compass, where the green tip is my north. So as you can see, here is my northeast. Okay, so knowing where you need to turn your satellite dish, you will get your signal very fast. Okay, so on this side is my northeast. Okay, so you first key in the Multitv. For you to get Mytv Africa signal very fast, you need to track for Multitv signal, because Multitv signal is very easy to get. So after tracking for Multitv, and then you mark where you got your Multitv signal, and then you raise your dish above the Multitv angle, and then you're gonna get your Mytv Africa. So after getting the Mytv, and then you add another LMB on top of it for you to get the Multitv signal. Okay, so here you key in the Multitv frequency and symbol rate, which is 12525. Okay, and then symbol rate 3000, and then the polarity is vertical V. Okay, so here you need to get the Multitv signal. For you to know the exact direction, you need to turn your satellite dish for you to get the Mytv Africa. Okay. Okay. So start turning your dish. Okay, so I have the Multitv signal right here. So now, after getting the Multitv signal, you mark where exactly you go to the Multitv signal. And you don't have to tighten it too high. So you have your Multitv signal right here. So after getting to know where you're gonna get your Multitv, then you turn your satellite dish to get the Mytv African satellite signal. So here's the Mytv. You key in the Mytv frequency and symbol rate, which is 10 10 804 804 30,000, and the polarity is horizontal. So, and then go back to your dish to get to the Mytv Africa signal. So here, Mytv Africa on the satellite dish is above Multitv. So after knowing where you have your Multitv signal on the satellite dish, you raise the dish a bit, not too high, and you're gonna get your Mytv Africa signal. Okay, so there you go. I have the Mytv Africa signal right here. So after getting Mytv Africa satellite signal, you need to tighten up your dish. So here I'm having a stable Mytv African satellite signal right here. Okay. The cable is not fixing inside the hole. So after getting Mytv African satellite signal, now is the time you need to add another LMB on top of this LMB for you to get Multitv signal. Alright, so after getting a stable Mytv African satellite signal, you need to add another LMB on top of it for you to get Multitv signal. So with the Multitv signal, the LMB that will be on top of it, you need to get a metal plate. Make sure that you find a flexible one, metal plate, governance one, because with the governance, metal plate does not last. So you find this metal plate and then you measure 6 inches by ½ inch. So you get a tape measure, you measure 6 inches by ½ inch. Okay. So you have here the 6 inches. Okay. By ½ inch. Okay. Then you cut it. So after cutting your metal plate 6 inches, you need to bend each side 1 inch 1 inch. So the middle have to be 4 inches. For you to get Multitv on top of Mytv African satellite signal, it's just 4 inches above. So you measure each side 1 inch 1 inch, and then we bend. Okay. So we measure each side 1 inch 1 inch. And this side to 1 inch. Okay. And you bend it like this. Then you bend the other side. So you have to be like this. So this side, the downside will be on top of the LMB that will be receiving the Mytv African satellite signal, and then here we'll be holding the LMB for Multitv signal. Okay. So after that, you get a metal clip. Get a metal clip. So you get a metal clip and then you clip it. Have to be here. Have to be in the middle of the LMB, and then you tighten it up. So it have to be like this. So here, from the LMB on top to the LMB on the satellite dish have to be 4 inches. Okay, so if you measure it well, you're gonna get your Multitv signal very fast. So if you can't get any metal clip, you can use any tape to tape it. Tape it so hard. Alright, so keep watching. Okay, so here you fix your metal on the LMB, which is 4 inches. For you to get Multitv on top of Mytv African satellite signal, it's just 4 inches above. Okay, so if you measure it well, after placing it on top of it, you're gonna get it straight away. You don't need to just turn it around. So you make sure that from the LMB on top of your satellite dish, for you to get Mytv, Multitv is just 4 inches. Okay. People use spoon to do it. So if you can't get any flexible metal plates, you can use a spoon to do it. Okay. So you fix your LMB on top of it. Okay. Okay. So you fix your cable, your coax cable, and then so here you key in again the Multitv frequency and decimal rate, because the Multitv will be on top. So change the frequency 12525 525 and then 30,000 here vertical. Okay, and then okay, so here okay, so you start turning the LMB for you to get the Multitv. Okay. Okay. So if you measure it really well, it will never take long for you to get the Multitv on Mytv Africa. Okay, so I now have a stable Multitv signal on my TV. Okay. So here you go. A stable multi-TV signal. Okay. Alright. So the trick here is that you need to measure the metal plates really well. From here to here have to be 4 inches. So if from here to here is 4 inches, you're gonna get your multi-TV signal very fast. You don't need to waste time. You don't need to take you 10 minutes to get the signal. Okay. So you keep watching. I'm gonna show you. After this, you need to connect. For you to connect the two cables, the two coax cable from this LMB, the LMB for multi-TV signal and the LMB for Mytv African satellite signal, to one receiver, you need to use a dissect. Okay, I'm gonna drop a video on that. Okay. Let's stop.